How did Wyoming become so empty? Although Wyoming is the 9th biggest state in the US based on size, Wyoming is also the least populated state with just 576,000 people, and what's even more strange is that Wyoming's neighboring state of Colorado, that's relatively equal in size, has 10 times the population of Wyoming. So why exactly is this state so empty? Well, in the mid-1800s when Americans were rushing west in search of gold, explorers discovered gold in the mountains of what would become Colorado in 1858 along the South Platte River. The mountains north of the South Platte didn't seem to have the same levels of gold that Colorado had. Explorers were also finding Colorado to have relatively suitable land for farming, with warm temperatures for most of the year, while Wyoming, slightly further northwest and much more engulfed into the Rockies, doesn't have much flat land and has a much more brutal winter, making agriculture more difficult. Because land in Colorado was getting taken quickly, the US federal government wanted to start claiming land as theirs before it was all taken, and while Wyoming was still relatively empty, the federal government was able to declare 48% of the state federal land, while just 36% of Colorado is federal land. While Colorado may have been booming, other Mountain West states were also slow to gain members, like Utah, Idaho, and Nevada, but that soon changed, as in the late 1800s, these states started growing rapidly, with Mormons coming in from the East Coast and Midwest. Wyoming still hasn't had that boom city, but maybe that's for the best.